What if one of Ford's most legendary performance names returned? But this time, with Tickford engineering, modern technology, and enough attitude to challenge Europe's finest sports coupes. Today, we're taking a look at the stunning 2027 Ford Capri Tickford Turbo, a machine that could redefine what a modern Capri should be. And trust me, if this car ever reaches production, enthusiasts everywhere might have a new dream car. Let's dive in. The Capri badge has always carried a special place in Ford's performance history. For decades, it represented affordable speed, aggressive styling, and rear-wheel drive excitement. But the imagined 2027 Ford Capri Tickford Turbo takes that heritage and pushes it into an entirely new era. At first glance, this Capri looks every bit like a modern Grand Touring coupe. Up front, an aggressive fascia features slim LED matrix headlights, a gloss black honeycomb grille, and a sculpted hood with functional cooling vents. Tickford's influence is immediately obvious, with a wider stance, muscular fenders, deeper side skirts, and aerodynamic touches that give the car a purposeful, track-ready appearance. From the side, the fastback roofline pays tribute to the classic Capri silhouette, while maintaining a sleek, contemporary profile. Large forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires fill the arches perfectly, while a subtle rear spoiler and aggressive diffuser complete the sporty design. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a true premium performance machine. The interior combines soft-touch leather, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum details. A fully digital curved instrument display sits behind a thick-rimmed performance steering wheel, while a large infotainment screen dominates the center dashboard. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, and deeply bolstered sports seats wearing Tickford embroidery provide both comfort and support during spirited driving. Wireless connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air updates, and a premium sound system ensure the Capri feels as modern as any luxury sports coupe on sale today. But let's talk about what enthusiasts care about most: performance. Although Ford has not officially announced a Capri Tickford Turbo, enthusiasts speculate that such a model could feature a highly tuned turbocharged engine, producing somewhere north of 450 horsepower. Paired with a quick-shifting transmission and a performance-tuned chassis developed alongside Tickford engineers, the result could be seriously impressive. Imagine launching from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, while hearing a deep, purposeful exhaust note echoing through tunnels and mountain roads. Adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, and a limited slip differential would help deliver the kind of driving experience that enthusiasts expect from a modern performance icon. What makes the idea of the Capri Tickford Turbo especially exciting is that it doesn't simply chase horsepower numbers. Instead, it appears designed to balance old-school driver engagement with cutting-edge technology. It would be a car capable of handling daily commutes during the week and attacking winding roads on weekends. Of course, until Ford says otherwise, the 2027 Ford Capri Tickford Turbo remains an exciting vision of what could be. But judging by its imagined styling, performance potential, and Tickford pedigree, it's easy to see why enthusiasts are already dreaming about seeing one parked in their garage. So, what do you think? Would you choose the 2027 Ford Capri Tickford Turbo over established rivals from Germany and Japan? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look into a possible future performance legend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we'll have plenty more exciting automotive concepts coming your way.